Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This may be a small bottle of vinegar, but it is life-changing. Let me tell you about the Balsamic Guy aged 25-year balsamic vinegar of Modena. This is unlike any other vinegar you have had before. It is truly a work of art. It has gone through rigorous testing and is designated to be a top quality. It's aged for at least 25 years, and the DOP label means that the Italian government has said this is top notch. So when you get this, it comes in a beautiful box, and you can really tell from the moment it arrives that this is a special product. This vinegar is made from one simple ingredient, and that is grape juice or grape must. It is aged in wooden barrels, so just through the aging process alone, it reduces into this beautiful thick syrup that is going to pack a huge punch of flavor to anything that you add this to. So I have been putting this vinegar on everything. Since it has a nice rich sweetness, it is amazing on both sweet and savory foods. Literally everything that I have added this to has only gotten better and been truly enhanced by the flavor. The flavor is delicious and complex. The more you taste it, the different notes that you'll get, and depending on what you pair it with, it just brings out even more flavor to it. It also comes in a 12-year as well, and the 12-year has a little bit more brightness and acidity to it, so if that's what you're looking for, the 12-year would be a perfect fit. So if you're looking for the real deal traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena, then I would definitely suggest this 25-year vinegar from the Balsamic Guy. This is a quality product that is made with love and care, and you can taste that in every bite. And that is my point of view.